DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Yo. What's good, gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another banger. Yo, gang, you see what I deal with? We're back here now, man. At war time again in my yard. Yeah, man. Yeah, yo, come like I already say, yo, Thanksgiving over. You see me and say, I'm back to the shooting, back to the killing, back to the war, back to the mission. Yeah, man, gang. Yeah, guys, and before jumping on the video, I just want to take this time to wish everybody happy belated Thanksgiving, man. I didn't do a video yesterday because, you know, it was Thanksgiving with the family, and was my cousin actually just got married, so and they celebrated their wedding yesterday. So I want to wish them a happy and prosperous marriage and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Congratulations to y'all. But yeah, man, gang, we are back in the war, man. I already say, yo, man, you see me, it's the next day, you know, Thanksgiving over. All of that fun and love thing over with the back to war and killing. You see me, I say, and today, we're going to check out. He just dropped the one like a couple hours ago since the morning, like, an hour ago. He just dropped this track, the one in Markus, actually. You see me, because I don't know. Demarco, the ring. Markus mentioned Buju son, Markus in the war, so look at your dog jumping at it. Yeah, man, and the one entitled Markus and Kyodi Sting Stage. Demarco, this dog just dropped it. I checked it out and so go on. After all of the updates, I'm going to guys about what going on with Sting and everything, man. Want to know if the war is still on. So you look like that, make a diss track again because you don't know. Demarco saying 1.6 mil. You got a Sting. So, we can jump, bro. We stop talking and jumping that track. You see me, so dog I deal with. Let's get it, gang.
Man, fully, man. Yeah, me I say, Mr. Leng.
Yeah.
You see if boy now come and Sting from a boss him feel.
Yeah, and Kyodi have to come strong for them 3D and 4D. I reply, you know, dog. You see me?
Me nah no gunshot for fucking waste. Markus.
What dog I say, boy? What? You say, Mr. Leng, you say, hold on.
Nah no gunshot for fucking.
What pull it up there, gang? Where you going?
Yeah, me I say, Mr. Leng. You see if boy now come and Sting from a boss him face. Me nah no gunshot for fucking waste.
Man, I say, yo, Mr. Leng. The boy now come and Sting for dead live and direct, you know. Me nah no gunshot for waste pan them, you know. You see me, so where dog I go say, now this I want to war, go on, man, say, yo, we want the war live. Mr. Leng talk about blow, yeah, Mr. Leng mentioned fully bad, and the Marco, you mentioned no Kyodi, you know, so I know what go on.
Markus, chop him now, flood out the fucking place, murder.
You think a pussy I war with? Dream say you diss me, you're dead in the morning, brawling. Catch him quick, I kill him and me calling. Race out the clip, no shit.
Whoa. Markus, I jump in at the bar, brawling, half rip before even Kyodi. I said, no, but if you say a pussy I war with in a dog.
Deny morning, bro.
Hold on, this neat crowd, come in.
You think a pussy I war with? Dream say you diss me, you're dead in the morning, brawling. Catch him quick, I kill him and me calling. Race out the clip, no shot, no passing.
I said, catch him quick, I kill him and me calling him. Markus a bad man. Hey, hold on.
Everything I latch up in a yo, splash up your marrow. Pussy and a arrow me a bust. From me a juvie, me evil and a me nus. Kick and back sit up, you coulda big like hippopotamus.
Man say from a little, you know, me evil and a nus. You coulda big and brawling, me kick you up. Coulda big and broad like hippopotamus, me a kick you up, bro. You see me and say, come here.
Evil and a me nus. Kick and back sit up, you coulda big like hippopotamus. Campaign for your ghost and a poison get my vote. And a rifle with the scope and a ratchet for bust your throat. Me alone.
Markus a chop still in the dog. I want to go on. Me didn't expect it. I want to go on.
Pain for your ghost and a poison get my vote. And a rifle with the scope and a ratchet for bust your throat. Me alone will do the murder. Me no need no support.
I'm a rifle with the scope in I'm a ratchet for bust your throat. You know, brother, I'm ready for you. No.
And a rifle with the scope and a ratchet for bust your throat. Me alone will do the murder. Me no need no support. Go and beat up your mouth every.
So me alone will do the murder. Me no need no support. So why you the punk out of the track, bro? Why are the punk out of the track? You can't say that you're the punk out of the track. Because two are not support each other right now. I want to contradict yourself. Markus, come in. Hold on, pull it up too. So everybody hear that.
A rifle with the scope and a ratchet for bust your throat. Me alone will do the murder. Me no need no support.
So the part there shot yourself, dog. You see me, come in.
Beat up your mouth, every teeth a come out. Me know you're not bad, all your girls say you're afraid of needle.
Wait, what? Wait. You know about that girl say afraid of nigga. That's supposed to be, though. You know, the hospital lad afraid of doctor.
You're not bad, all your girls say you're afraid of nigga. Demarco, me know you're coward. Red Hills Road, not afraid of people.
Woohoo!
The cheap Glock spit me a fire now.
No man. Me nah lie, Markus. The hook we are coming in with. Yeah, man, come like Kyodi say, yo, Demarco singing. Me there say, you know, if you don't want to win the war, I can't make Demarco sing. And Demarco sing like Kyodi say, yo, me can't sing like this, man. I'll bring in somebody who can't sing. Come in here, don't know.
The cheap Glock spit me a fire now, but them up.
Yeah. Lad, we need to pull up from when Markus jumping with the hook there, bro. Cause they're bad. Come in.
Anyway, my boat them up, make me show them up. The cheap Glock spit me a fire now, but them up.
Okay, anyway, book you Demarco. Anyway, see you. It's on site. Anyway, see him, I fuck you up, bro. You see me, the cheap Glock. I got burn you up. You talk about burn up, gang. I got burn you up. Yeah, man. I never me say so. I say so.
The real war start and the pussy them around your foot.
The man say real war and the boy them a run. Cause you know one guy sting. The man must say a real war start and you run Demarco. Yo!
Around your foot. Lift the bumbo clot gun them up. No obedience, no manners. Me a pre them counteract them think a weak fence over ya.
Me a kill them no manners. You see me a pre them. They feel say a weak fence over your dog. You think a weak fence you come mention me name in a song, Marco? Me a show you here.
No obedience, no manners. Me a pre them counteract them think a weak fence over ya. Clean up your way, get a shot.
Counteract them. Them think a weak fence over ya. You see me? No man. Hey, come in.
Me a pre them counteract them think a weak fence over ya. Lean up your way, get a shot. Post the murder bomb, snap you, get the picture, it no crap.
Lean up, you will get a shot. Post a picture, palm. Come in. Yo, Markus a go on. So hold on, can you read the pan chat, bro? I sang more than halfway through and I just Markus alone right here. Come in.
Lean up your way, get a shot. Post the murder bomb, snap you, get the picture, it no crap. Me even seen cataract. Being pan a Glock. Coulda deal, man a drop. I go under your mother frack.
Man say go. Hey, freedom. Hey. Hey, Markus is chopping, bro. And Kyodi, you know the punish dog. When just put it there so people watch it. And that go on.
Coulda deal, man a drop. You coulda go under your mother frack. A lot of prove a pint in a chatterbox.
Yo, man say coulda go under your mother frack. Coulda go up in your mama. You coulda go back from the place you were born. You still a go murder your dog. Yo, Jesus and peace. Are you bringing the mother, you know? Are you bringing the mother talk when they say fuck like you're 5 and come out to your mother? You see me say man them say, yo, coulda go up on your mother. Yo, hey, Markus Flo? Markus Flo come like say you want better than Kyodi, bro. Come on.
You coulda go under your mother frack. A lot of prove a pint in a chatterbox. 100 anyway, my boy.
We don't even get your hollow tip approval pint in a chatterbox. Get it, hollow pint. But it always be, hey, come on.
A pint in a chatterbox. 100 anyway, my boy, them up. We will shut them up. Big yard. The cheap Glock spit me a fire and I burn them up.
Jesus and peace, Kyodi. You know, shame, bro. How the best song in the war and you're not even there pan it. Kyodi. Oh, your best tune where you're dropping a war, you're not even there pan it. Kyodi, you have to shape. Yo, no man, bro. Kyodi be rate as an artist, boy. How you feel do this? This song bad. And you're not there with no weapon it. It is 1:48. The song is 2 minutes and 16 seconds long. Ah, no, me not hear her, bro. Jeez and peace.
Lift the bumbo clot, gun them up.
I know the way there. Oh man, it's so cold. Burn them up. Kyodi, where you at, bro? Where you at on your track? This can't be your diss track, bro. This is my. Alright, come on.
Alien, pussy.
Oh, I get it. At the beginning of the song, man say, yo, Lang. If no boy now come past Sting stage, you know, no gunshot for waist palm boy. So, he might make somebody else deal with it. Oh, me just get it. Man say, me now gunshot for waist, I make somebody else. Oh, jeez and peace. Clickbait. clickbait, but it's not even clickbait kind. Me hear, okay, we didn't get it. Man say, yo, Lang, if boy now come past thing stage, you know, me now no shut a waist pan boy, you know. I make one of me charge them run out and you see me I say, but dog, Kyodi, this is one of the best diss track in the whole war, and you know the panic, bro. That's crazy. You shouldn't even release this.
Thing stage. Coward. Boy, on
Yeah,
6
yeah.
million.
Kyodi best song, nah, no best diss track having panic, bro. I'm sorry, Kyodi. Hush. You ever hate me, you know? You probably want to interview, give me the interview again after this, the blows and straight. You see me, I say? We have to talk short. Oh, you're gonna drop the best diss track, bro. How your best diss track don't even have it on your dog? And you drop it on your page, but you don't even depend on the song, and the song bad. Yo, Markus surprised me, bro. I didn't expect them choppings, the dog. Them choppings and them flow there, bro. Yeah, really Buju son for real, me G. Yeah, man, you run there, bloodline, man. All the singing hook. Yeah, man. That was fire, gang. That was fire. That mafia, I don't think about the one day. You see me? Let me think about the one. The one was a banger, man. You see me, I say? Shout out to Kyodi, shout out to Markus. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. You can see, say, yeah, Buju son for real, dog. Because that was a banger. I didn't expect that to be so bad. But Kyodi should at least come in and drop a verse on the second half. But we get it. Get the style and pattern we are doing, though. Now, the first part to come in and say, Lang. You see me? I take a while for people catch on. You see me? Well, I say, yo, Lang. It's my boy now come clash pan sting stage. Me now no gunshot for waist. You see me? So, I make one of bridging come out and deal with the works. And they did that shit. That sound was fire, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. You don't think about the one in the comment section. You don't know. You don't know the thoughts on the war. Who you think leading? Who you bringing? Yo, should Demarco get him 6 mil for Sting, bro? I think he's worth it. Lang, pay up, bro. That's 30 G's US. Demarco more than worth it. Sting is all about the clash, which means the clash is the main event. And if you're paying like international artists and them thing they come in, you pay them 50k, 40k, you can play the main event. You see me, because that's when unboxing the main event is supposed to get paid more anyways. You see me, I say? And Sting is all about clash. If there's no clash at Sting, Sting is not Sting. And since this is the war people want to see, that means that this is making Sting Sting. Which means give them on the money, because they are the main attraction. They're the main reason why people going to be coming out to watch. You see me, I say? Yeah, they're the one pulling the crowd. You see me, I say? Because you try to revise Sting, I need a valid war. And this is the valid war. Give that man him 30 G's. I'm to you, man, when you have that, man. I'm to you, just say 600 mil. I cost a year for two Sting. Which means you're doubling back your money and making a profit. The man wants 6 out of the 600. That's like you have 600 and somebody asks for $6. Because I mean, man, pay the man him $6, man. You see me? Yeah, man, gang. You don't know what time it is. I boy Jambisco. Keep it real over here. Make you want vex. You see me? I say, the man have to work the money, pay the dog. Makes thing nice. Everybody wants to the warrior, you see me? Yeah, man. I don't know why Kyodi I don't think I'm here Ling. I mentioned fully bad, you know, too. I mentioned Kyodi like that, and Kyodi bad too. I want to see Kyodi and think one day the two. You see me? I say, but pay the marker, bro. You see me? The man worth it, dog. I don't know, gang. Leave in thoughts in the comment section. I bought Jambisco here now. Hit and smash now. Bang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love guys.
I wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy.